Tapi bila Amerika datang dan mengutip cukai, mereka berperang dengan Amerika. Dan mereka sanggup dibunuh beramai-ramai di satu gunung, 2 gunung, 3 gunung. Dan kalau Amerika, mari kutip cukai mereka ambil segunung, kalau enggak. So hanya secara bunuh kan? Dan kita bertarung. Ini satu cara, kaidah Darul Islam. Jadi kenyataannya, alhamdulillah, apabila dinar dirham itu dikembalikan, maka maruah orang-orang Sulu kita dapat selamatkan kembali maruah mereka, insyaAllah. So ini adalah satu perjuangan yang kita dalam mencari. Memang kita berjuang keluar dari sistem, keluar daripada kemelut peperangan yang kita rasa ini manipulasi, bukan peperangan yang sebenar. Jadi kita rasakan apabila datangnya cahaya dinar dirham ini kembali ke Sulu, ini adalah sudah tidak ada jalan lain. Mengundurkan diri satu kesilapan, sebab sudah tidak ada yang dikatakan darurat. Dah tamat darurat di Sulu. Penggunaan dinar dirham mesti wajib dikembalikan, karena kalau tidak semua orang menanggung, termasuk orang-orang Melayu dan semua manusia yang beragama Islam di Asia Tenggara. So insyaAllah kita sama-sama berdoa, mudah-mudahan dengan itu kita sama-sama mendapatkan kemerdekaan Islam itu yang sudah lama kita impikan, insyaAllah.
The people of Sulu, the Tausug, they declared independence unilaterally of the pretense of the government of Philippines to rule these lands. They have no right. They have no right to. What is important is that the government of Sulu has not declared independence against Philippines. They have declared independence against the United Nations. Against the United Nations. Not asking the United Nations to have recognition, but to say to the United Nations, you do not exist. They have declared the abolition of the United Nations, and they have declared the abolition of the World Bank. And that is something new. Has never happened in history. Malaysia recognized both the tyrants of the United Nations and the World Bank. It is in Sulu that they have taken the step forward. The unthinkable has happened. They have challenged the big enemies, and they have said to them, you do not exist. That is the reason why what they have done has big meaning for all of us. Because they have said what we are scared to do. Therefore, they are ahead of us. Ahead of us. We have to support them with everything that we have. Because what they've done is what we should be doing, but we are scared to do.